How to start a KFC delivery order on the KFC website. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a simple step-by-step guide that we can follow up to start up a delivery order on the KFC website. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going ahead and opening up a browser and going to www.kfc.com and hit enter, and that should open up the site. And this is our site. You can even head over to the correct country version if needed. The KFC website is on different countries version. For example, this is my country's version. So what we can do is we can enter our delivery location. We can select up a location first and select it. Once we've done so, we can enter our address, city or postal code, and select up our nearest KFC outlet. Now, after that, in order to start up a KFC delivery order, we just need to go ahead and browse the menu. We can explore the menu here. For example, deals, different deals are going on here. So we can just go and add those products to our cart that we want to purchase. After that is done, in the top right corner, we should be finding a cart option that we can click on, and we can open it up. Once you've added it, look out for the cart option in the top right corner, and we can proceed with the checkout option. Click on checkout. And once you click on checkout, you need to be signed in if you're not signed in first. So go ahead and sign in. And then you can confirm up your address. Usually in the top left corner also you can find a self pickup or other option that we can click on, and we can just go over and check out. You can just go over and manually enter up your address and confirm of your payment methods such as card, cash, etc. depending upon the location. And I can review everything and click on place order, and you will be getting a confirmation and estimated delivery time. And that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to update your address on KFC and um start a KFC delivery order on KFC website. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.